How to implement planned maintenance, Part 2. Training and executing the strategy. Planned maintenance requires the entire team to participate and be aware of their responsibilities. It's crucial to ensure everyone is trained on new technology, processes and procedures. When everyone knows exactly how they fit into a planned maintenance strategy, it makes implementation much smoother and more effective. If planned maintenance is completely new for your team, consider testing the strategy to help them adjust to a new way of doing things. Building planned maintenance checklists. Keep an eye on how your planned maintenance strategy is working after it has launched. Planned maintenance checklists help track maintenance KPIs, which can give you a good idea of the program is impacting efficiency at your operation. Identify where the plan is working and where it can be improved. Take advantage of data capture and reporting tools to make insights actionable. Technicians, operators, and others can provide unique feedback on tweaking the strategy for optimal results.